Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today is all about disassembling this handheld steam cleaner from Silvercrest. I was wondering myself again what parts it has inside and how it's working. Well, if you want to find out, stay with me at all the process disassembling this device and see how it's working. We need to remove 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 screws. Well, let's move on. By the way, I have made a video reviewing and testing this steam cleaner. It is an amazing device, definitely it's worth the money. It costs 25 euros, just buy it and clean your home only with steam and without chemicals. Okay, let's remove the valve. We need to remove this. Oh, this is metal, okay. And there it is. Okay, this is the trigger, the safety child lock. We've got the plastics for the LED lights. There is the LED lights, the power cord connection, rubber around here, because all this metal is getting too hot and we don't need to touch the plastic. That's why around there is this rubber, plastic tube for extracting the steam, the inlet for the water. Oh, we can remove that. Obviously we can remove this rubber. Okay, let's remove these 2 screws. I will try to remove the connections for the cable, for the power. Are these 3 cables, the live, the neutral and the ground. And let's remove the 2 LEDs, one here and one here. Now there's a power cord connection here, long cable. Now there's the boiler connection for the LEDs. Here, connection for the power. Perfect. It gives power at this boiler, the ground here, and start boiling the water and extracting the steam. Now I can see we've got 3 huge screws, Allen screws. I will remove these 2 screws and reveal the internal of the boiler. Okay, we can unscrew that. Perfect, rubber around. Okay, 3 screws, remove it. Oh, there it is. Oh, not much to see. It is empty, except this rubber around. We've got 2 separate casting plates, only the rubber at the middle. And here we've got this metal inside. It is the button. Pressing this, it turns on the front here and extracting the steam. And here we can connect the steam valve. Nice. And of course at this part of this casting metal, it is all the connections. It says 900 to 1050 watt, 220 to 240 volt. And obviously we've got this sensor sensing the temperature and turns on, turns off. Nice. Well guys, that was all about. Now you know how it works and what parts it has inside. I like it. Now I am smarter, you are smarter, and I think it's about time to move on for assembling this unit and see if it's working again. It is very important to install this rubber correct. And we can see inside it's very clean. Of course, I only use it about 5 times. Perfect. Okay. Side lock is working. Well, let's fill up with water. Red light. Let's wait until we'll go to green. I can hear it's boiling. Oh yeah, we've got steam. Green light. And it's working, guys. Well, that was all about, guys, disassembly this handheld steam cleaner. Now you are smarter, you know what parts it has inside and how it's working. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos like this disassembly and other review and testing are coming out the future and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.